I greet you and I wish you well. Eyime Idemudia brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space in English, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. You can also get a transcript of this video down below on the show more column. There you will see a transcript in English, Hausa, Yoruba and Igbo. You can also get a transcript from any of our websites up above or down below. Our websites are www.bitcoinpikin.com and www.eyimeidemudia.com. You can check below, still on the show more, for this website where you can get the transcript of this video in Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba and English. A Bitcoin whales sold over $50 million of Bitcoin on Bitfinex yesterday, causing a dip in the price to below $8,000. However, the dip was brought up and then sold within a span of only 5 minutes this morning. Bitcoin sprang back above $8,000 per coin with a surging gain of over 3%. Can you imagine? This indicates an eagerness to buy the dip. The bull are crashing at the ground with their hooves. The huge dip being bought so quickly is a sign that a bull run could break out anytime. Since Litecoin creator Charlie Lee confirmed that Litecoin being chosen to replace Bitcoin as the base currency on the Abra trading app was the huge unexpected surprise that he had eluded on a tweet last December, there have been anticipation in the Litecoin community. There were reports circulating that implementation of Litecoin on Abra would start last Friday, confirming from Abra that the Friday 13th rumor, which was reported by some media outlets, was not based on any information from Abra. The change to Litecoin as the primary store of value in the Abra app is actually expected to occur on the last of this month or early May. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has announced plans to build a decentralized infrastructure for cognitive networking on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum will be used to implement consensus protocols to guide artificial intelligence in the task of exploring deep space. The endorsement and funding of NASA should be a huge boost of confidence for Ethereum investors. Bitcoin Cash stood out with a high of 10% gain since yesterday. In a television interview, Brian Kelly, CEO of crypto fund, has been encouraging investors to buy Bitcoin Cash and reiterated the sentiment that he feels Bitcoin Cash has been left for dead, but the fork of Bitcoin isn't dead yet. Regardless of how one feels about it, Bitcoin Cash has proven to be resilient. That's fact. It's undeniable. See you in our next video. Bye bye.